One of the questions I get asked frequently is how do I size and align designs on a t-shirt when I'm screen printing? I adjust the size and placement on the shirt based on the shape of the design I'm using and how I want it to look on the shirt. For square designs like this one that is 9 by 9, I usually want it to start about 2 inches from the collar. For taller designs like this one that is 9 by 12, I start a little higher on the shirt, about 1 inch from the collar. For wider designs like this 10 by 3 inch design, I usually place it 2 to 3 inches from the collar. My trick for lining up my design when screen printing is to use a little circle sticker placed in the middle of the collar. I eyeball the center of the collar and place the sticker down, then I line up the design and know that it's going to be the correct distance from the collar and also centered on the shirt. To do this, I start in Design Space or whatever cutting software you're using. On this design, I decided I wanted it to be 9.5 inches wide and start about 2 inches down from the collar. After I have the design sized, I'm going to use the Shape tool to insert a 2-inch tall square. I'm just going to use this as a guide. I place it at the top of my design, and then I'm going to insert a 3/4 inch circle because this is the size of my sticker. I place the circle at the top of the square, and then I can delete out the square and know that my circle is 2 inches from my design. Then I can center the design and the circle. And then my last step is to add a big box around the design. This makes it easier once you're ready to attach the vinyl to your screen. You can use the outside of the box as a guide to line it up straight on your screen. Here's what it looks like in action.